so we are in this awesome Model 3, fully customized by T-Sportline, and we're gonna call my mom, surprise her, tell her we're in a Model 3, and see exactly how the call audio is. So without further ado, let's call Mom. Call Mom. Oh, I hope she answers.
Okay.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good.
So, we're in this awesome Model 3 for the day, and we want to test out this call audio. So, we decided to call you through the car, which is attached to my phone, and wanted to know how I sound to you.
You sound good.
Cool. Is everything... Can you hear us okay? Everything?
I hear you okay.
How are the puppies doing?
Puppies are doing well.
5 minutes later.
Thank you for helping us with this video. So far,
Not a
you're
problem.
crystal clear on our end, so...
Oh, that's good. And it's fine on my end. I hear you well. It's somehow or another it's reverberating back to me.
Okay.
When I say something, I can hear myself after I talk just slightly.
Okay. Good to know.
It could be my phone. I got an old phone.
Yeah. Cool. Well, I definitely appreciate it, and I'll talk to you a little later.
Have a great day and the rest of your day, and have fun, and keep in touch.
Describe what you heard.
Yeah, so actually we could hear her loud and clear. It actually was perfect. The only downside is every now and then we heard like these little pops.
Yeah.
At first I thought it was like little pebbles hitting the windshield, kind of like what we get in Colorado. But it definitely wasn't that. It was definitely coming from the speakers. So I don't know, maybe it was bad connection or something. But besides that, she could hear me fine. I could hear her fine. There's just those little pops every now and then, which I'm sure you probably were able to hear from the video too. So definitely something to keep in mind. Okay, so I actually filmed this a while ago and kind of forgot it existed until I was just talking with David today. So I kind of wanted to go over this video and post it. I have talked to at least one other person who can confirm they did not experience this on their Model 3. I don't know if maybe this was an early software thing or what. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have a Model 3 and are experiencing this, or if you're not experiencing this. But it at least does seem to have been fixed since we did this video, or at least the one other person I've talked to didn't have this. So very curious to know if others are experiencing this. Hopefully you guys aren't. But yeah, that's kind of it. I'm going to go back in time and outro this. Thanks again to T-Sportline for loaning us this vehicle for the day so that we can play around with it, test all kinds of cool stuff. And if you are looking to buy anything from them, I have an offer I can extend to you guys to get you $100 off any order of $500 or more. If you are looking for a Tesla though, either an S or an X, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. You can pretty much search by any option code Tesla has ever offered. And if you do decide to buy a new or inventory car, feel free to use the referral code in the top of the page or in the video description down below. That will get you free unlimited supercharging for the life you own the vehicle, which if you do any road trips, definitely comes in hand. Otherwise, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some more videos, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.